Hi friends, it's me Neema and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe as per the request from many of my friends, especially a couple from UK. They have been asking me to show an easy way of making a soft layered Kerala Parotta. So let's begin. Let's now check out the ingredients for this recipe. 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup semolina, 2 tablespoons sugar, salt as required, warm water for making dough, 30 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. We'll be using butter and ghee only after the dough preparation. In this bowl, I've taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Now, into it, I'm going to add half cup of semolina. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 and 2. And salt as needed. Here I am taking 1/4 teaspoon and let's mix dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients has been well combined. Now to make a soft dough, we have to add slowly lukewarm water. So I am just going to add lukewarm water. And gently mix it in. The dough should not be very loose or hard. Now I'm going to use my hands. Our dough is now ready. It should be in this consistency. Now let's cover it up and leave it for 15 minutes for proofing. "15 minutes are over. Let's divide it into equal balls and keep aside. Now let's make a butter and ghee mixture for brushing on top of our parattas. For that, I've taken 30 grams of butter And into the 30 grams of butter, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I mean clarified butter. And combine well. See, our mixture is ready. Next is to roll each balls. For that, I am going to use my countertop. First, let's sprinkle some flour on the countertop. See, I have taken one ball, press gently and then roll it. Make sure to sprinkle flour in between so that the roller can easily move on. Roll it as thin as possible. See, it should be very thin. Now, let's brush our butter and ghee mixture on top. Let's cut this as thin strips as possible. And roll it to one side. See, like this. Apply butter and ghee mixture on top. And fold it slowly, like this. And then tuck it in. See how it looks. See, the remaining balls are folded and tucked in and is now ready for flattening. So I am going to take the ball and let's keep inside a plate like this, then press gently and flatten it using your palms. See, it's ready. Do the same with the remaining ones. Next is to grease an hot skillet with our butter and ghee mixture. to roast our parathas. Now let's flip it slowly and press it gently, and you have to roast it till it turns to light golden brown in color. Remember to keep the flame low. Color looks really good, so I'm just taking it out to a plate like this. Again, I'm applying the butter and ghee mixture. And let's start roasting it. Our parotas are ready, and before plating, let's tap the sides to get the layers separate. See, now you can see the layers. The layers are there, and the parotas are good enough, good color and soft. Hope you will give it a try, and if you like my video, then do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.